Hi everyone, I am York. I am the Service Department Manager here of Test Equipment Depot, and I'm going to introduce to you the Weller WESD51 Soldering Station. This is microprocessor controlled with a digital LED display. The digital display shows temperature setting and the actual tip temperature. It is designed for continuous production soldering, and it can switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit. It has a slim, comfortable pencil type grip with ETA tip, which reduces operator fatigue. It has a temperature resetting function, and it is UL and CUL listed, and it is ESD safe to protect sensitive components. Thank you for watching. I am York with Test Equipment Depot.